what time is it so I can tell them? 6:30. We've been partying all day long. Lord have mercy.
Yeah, just about.
Everybody's out of his best thing he has. Yelling and crying. Unless you had a 5 and a bunch of ones, and I took like $1. Well, I had it rough with that bunch of women, wasn't he?
Oh, Lord. Playing.
How'd Allie book a car?
Oh, she crashed it a long time ago.
Oh.
It's been years.
Oh.
She's been here 10 times since then.
There goes Lisa and John to Texas. You see if he makes that curve good as we do. He did better than we did. Here's Philip. Philip, what are you dressed as? A jogger? You look cute. What are you dressed as, Brooke?
Pumpkin.
A pumpkin. You look so cute. No, we got to put Blakely's bumblebee ears on. We don't want to get her yet. What are you?
Oh, that's
Can you say a bumblebee?
Bobby.
And where's the...
Jacket.
Let's see your back. Ah, see, there's her little tail and her wings. And there's Philip. Are you trying to kill the bumblebee, Philip? Oh, don't do that.
Don't do that anymore. Look. Look at it.
Brooke, what happened? Why is your face green? Oh, Philip's got a little bunny. Taylor's first Halloween. Yeah. Smile, Taylor. See, Taylor, give us a big old smile. Say hello, Philip.
Dip it in the water and glue. Take your hand, put a cotton ball in it. I meant to say that. Okay, then hold your hand in there until it dries.
What do you
Then
got
take
on?
the golf ball out.
It's cheese ball.
And take the golf ball out. Golf, whatever. And then dip the bottom in some glue and then decorate the face with it.
Wonderful.
What do you make drop? Huh? Just plain glue, no water?
Just what you're waiting on. Plain.
Happy Halloween.
You one. Don't get me. There's you one. Philip one. Blakely one. And Brooke one. And Paula Donna, you here yet? Wait a minute.
Look, I got it. What is that in it, Kay?
Take them out, Philip, and look at it.
Take it out, Phil.
Watch me.
Or deal,
Matthew, get him. Watch him. Whoa! are the ones saying it. On Halloween, if a big, huge, monstrous thing follows you around, don't worry. It's just your butt. I thought it was cute. I wanted to get it for somebody.
Would you pass those out? Now, you
From Mom.
Oh, I got one.
Yours was first.
Hey, look what I got.
I had both of mine in there.
Ooh,
Look what I got.
yeah.
Matthew.
How did you get
This
that?
cute little bag.
Oh.
Call, he's not here.
Not yet. Wait just a minute.
Lacey. LaDonna's not here yet.
Thank you, Aunt.
Blakely.
Thank you, Aunt.
Oh, that's cute.
A dinosaur pencil.
Yeah. And we have some candied apples and some pudding tart. Oh.
Candy apples?
Yeah.
Where?
In there. Jill. What is that, Brooke?
What about you, Philip? Do you got anything?
What's that supposed to be? Hey, Jill, what's this supposed to be?
I don't know. No, that don't supposed to do nothing. It just stays like that.
I got a toothbrush.
Now, I also have Lacey chocolate and vanilla sand tart.
Oh.
What do you want, chocolate or vanilla?
It's a what?
Sand tart. You want to eat yours now or you want to put it in plastic?
I'll eat a little. I'll eat a little now and then save a little bit.
It doesn't hold it
Okay. Where do I put this?
in the plastic.
I'll put it on this. I can color it, Jill.
Huh?
I can color it.
Yeah. I don't know.
And here is the latecomer to the party. He slipped through it. Hey, Cam. Can you smile? Say hey. Cam. Smile. Smile. No smile. This is one child that can't wait to open up his present from Christopher Foreman.
Open up his.
Can't even wait.
Paul with it.
Oh, Lord.
Shoot Paul with it and see if it works.
Turn around, Matt, before you open it. Whoa. What do you say, Matt?
Thanks.
I think Christopher Foreman likes it better than Matthew. Or maybe Paul.
Paul, you better get out in a hurry.
Now I would like to introduce my two little pilgrims. What's your name?
Fred.
And what's your little friend's name? Blakely. Oh, and here's old Fuss Bucket Cam. Yeah, he's already chewing his ribbons. Yeah. Do you turn around? Let's see how you look. Smile. So now, what are y'all looking for? Y'all are pilgrims on what day? Thanksgiving Day. And what are you supposed to say? Happy? No, Thanksgiving. Brooke, what do you think you are?
Children.
What'd you say you were when you put your apron on? What are you, Brooke? What did you say you were? A waitress. Whoa! So let me get how pretty Blakely is one more time. You are so cute, both of you. Oh, Fuss Bucket's hushed. All right, you know what? It's almost time for Mom. And won't they be surprised? All right, what do y'all say? Let's say it together. Happy Thanksgiving.
Paul, are you through?
Yeah.
What do you play on?
Say hi.
Hi.
Thanksgiving Day. Reading this funny looking turkey.
That's what you call a red turkey.
Yeah. Matt and Mom watching the Macy's Day Parade. Here's Izzy.
There he is. Meet Izzy, the reigning character of the 95th Olympics, furnished by the Atlanta Committee for the Olympic Games. And what a big impression this new balloon is making.
I entered a contest.
Oh yeah, of course, as our contest also demonstrated, not everyone gives sweets for Christmas. Each year, Kay Parker, Albany, Georgia, whips up a tangy squash relish to which she adds the vivid dash of both green and red peppers. The best part, beside the taste, it gives Kay another opportunity to use her abundant summer squash when it's still in season, while at the same time getting a head start on the busy Christmas season. Nice planning, Kay. Very good.
Ah, what magazine is this now?
Oh,
Country
Country Woman.
Oh. Oh, Country Woman. Uh-huh.
That's where this recipe came from.
Uh-huh.
That's good.
Well, one of them.
Recipe.
There's Nicky still watching. Say hey, Matt.
Hey, Matt.
What you watching?
Macy's Parade.
Well, who's that? That's Annie, you nut. I'll show you my new senior ring. See, here, Matt, hold it. Let me focus.
Did you show her your car?
No. Ooh, ah.
It's a beauty.
Tell them what it is.
85 Dodge Daytona. Everybody's cleaning up. Got all the dirty dishes.
They've got one spot where I bought the things that was covered up
Watching Charlie Brown.
Oh yeah?
Yeah.
Hey, you're at it again, huh? Ooh.
Yeah, this is what Matt and Dad are running in.
Huh?
This is what Matt and Dad are running in.
That's what it is. Gotta join 'em.
Here we go. This is me.
Why don't you join them? On the 11th.
Yeah, I don't want to.
And what are you dressed up like, little boy? A pilgrim. You look so handsome. Who made you that beautiful suit? Who made you that beautiful suit?
Mama.
Boy, Malarkey.
Okay.
All right. There's Cheryl and Uncle Donnie. He always comes in time to do my turkey. Oh, I am. Hello, Daddy. Do you have anything to say to anybody?
Happy New Year!
Oh, okay.
Happy holidays.
What? This is Philip in his costume.
I think they got him.
You already got him?
Yeah.
Say happy Thanksgiving.
And happy dinner.
Okay. And we're getting Daddy carving the turkey like he does every year. Because we always come early. Let's walk out here and see if Paul's coming home yet. Trying to find the doorknob. Where's the door? Should be coming down the road any time now. Oh. And Aunt Kay made me and Papa and Matthew a little happy birthday sign. This is happy birthday, Matthew of course first, Madonna and Papa. And she's got the birthday balloon out too. Paul coming around the corner in his new car that he got yesterday, November the 24th. Wave everybody! And it is a black Dodge Daytona. And Paul thinks he's the coolest person. And hey, he's from Cobb County. There's Mama. How was the ride?
Oh, it was fun. We cruised down the lake.
Really? Mama? Do you have anything to say, Mama?
We had fun.
No, let's all outside of that.
Cruising on
Oh, happy
went down
Thanksgiving.
flat.
Yeah, I didn't have time to
No, we didn't go down flat.
Eat cake.
I'm 15 again. Oh! Move, Carolyn. Matt, sit down. 15 again.
Oh, I'll do that. I'll stick a match in there. Give me the match.
And sing goodbye.
Give me the matches.
Where did you put it? You came in? Tree candles.
Where's our banner? I knew those were trick candles.
I don't have one. All right, LaDonna, don't blow yours out yet, then we'll stick it. Let's sing happy birthday and we'll say Matthew, LaDonna, and Papa all in one breath, or y'all want to do it? Ready?
One time.
Cut the lights.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to y'all. Happy birthday, dear baby.
Madonna, Papa, and
Happy birthday to y'all.
I laid this present. I thought they
Oh,
were.
wow.
I'm good. What's the matter with you? I charged up tomorrow. Huh?
She didn't charge up the battery, she charged up something else.
I charged up the camera.
what's wrong with your eyes? The camera.
We gotta stop.
Okay.
All right.
Open the present.
Papa's gonna open his first because he's the oldest.
No, he's 6, everybody else is 11 and 15.
Yeah, when I was old, you know.
I was recording on the
I'm the youngest partner.
Oh, that's Papa's for me and the boy.
I wonder what colors.
Okay, which one? Could it be a
LaDonna.
Oh, these are teddy bears. I'm gonna keep this paper.
I don't know why I did that.
This is Papa's.
That's Papa.
I wonder what that could be.
Carolyn, what's wrong? Could it be Papa? Yes, that's Matthew. I wonder what that is. All right, is there a card on that one, Cheryl? Not supposed to be. Just hand him my present. He got a card right there. What color? Have you heard this yet? Something else.
Look at there. Richard Steele leaves socks.
Something else in there.
Daddy.
Papa, set it out there in your mama's lap. Wait, Lacey.
Hey, Mom. We got another dress. Look, another dress. Mama, ain't the other thing in there too?
No, that's a little bag.
Oh, okay. Ooh, a hat. This one's for Tim.
Open the present. Valerie said get Clark come in yesterday.
She usually gets school.
I already know what that is. That's genius. Because I picked it
Well,
up.
it didn't come in yesterday.
Boy,
Madonna, this about to kill you and Matthew.
She's opening her.
I don't want you to read it. I wanted to read it. Don't read it.
Well, like that.
And then
What's it? Scarf deal. What in the world? What's that?
candy.
Oh, I thought that
Jumper
was
cable. Jumper cable.
Well.
Yeah.
And who's that from?
You didn't read the card?
Yeah.
Wait,
Did you read the card, Jill?
Yeah.
What is it?
read it out loud.
And peanuts. And peanuts.
All right, it says, somebody up there loves you. Somebody down here loves you too. Happy birthday. Love you very much, Jill and Joey.
I already know what this is.
I already know what this is too.
Bill, look at that card you got. Oh. Look at that card.
Look at the one Matthew's got.
Oh, look, I like that Christmas bag. I want to find a birthday bag. Toss.
Two cards.
Whoa!
I feel you got to come over and play with Papa hat.
Look at that, what Papa got.
Did you take a picture of Papa? Yeah, yours.
Those are Papa's. Aren't those terrific?
I got to come over and play.
Who's next? Me.
Dad's like, I don't care if
Matthew's got money and 2 presents.
You done waited long enough anyway. A few more hours.
I'm ready to
A few more hours. What did you got under there? Where's your collar at? Yay, Dad!
Like that?
Where's your collar at? What needs a competition book? Yeah. That's like what is that? What is it?
Your great granddaddy's in there, Cheryl. Lace Hines. Look at how, look toward the back.
Your great granddaddy.
Rip it open. What?
Got a thing?
Yeah.
What's that?
And
Some more peanuts?
ooh, cashew hair.
I like that.
I
I like that.
Trying to keep me off the diet now.
How have you known me all about that? Okay, so Donna and Matthew, y'all go ahead. This is one at a time.
No.
Matt, go ahead and Matthew.
Hide and Jack.
Daddy, you read it from the film. I already read it.
No, that's for me. Matt should have figured. Well, look, open the presents. I'll his mama. His name was Jack.
Yo,
Hide and Jack.
it's from me.
It's not Jack.
Oh, birthday card. Oh, birthday card.
Let everybody open their presents first.
Oh, thank you, Mima. I like your card. I like that. Look, it sits up. cares about the car opener present? I do.
I told her I started
I
right
put that on my
now.
dresser. That's cute.
All right, don't
Look
be
at his
slow
little
motion like
tail.
Papa.
I'm not. Oh.
What is it?
Oh, Sonny got some money.
No,
I'll make you wait, honey. Y'all said go ahead.
No, don't do it. Put it back in
Cheryl
there.
said go ahead. We
Tell
still
me
wait.
what Cheryl said.
Go ahead and go.
He done opened, go boy. Well, he's done opened too bad.
How much was it? Oh, yeah.
That's from Mama.
Chill, that ain't
I
mine.
like that.
Ain't that on your wall? Which one you like better, the bear?
Get it rolled up the poster side.
I will.
Okay, just a minute.
Why let her read the card?
Let Lacey read that.
Yeah, Lacey, read the card.
Okay, never mind.
I'll read it.
You got children? This is from Lisa Hall.
Wishing a wonderful sister a magical, marvelous birthday. Only Lacey with love.
I gotta take this.
The one your mama told me, PG.
What is this?
It's something you wrote down.
I thought it was about trains. It's 4 non-blondes. It's mine.
Let me see it.
For
Four
what?
non-blondes.
Oh, well,
What is
Randy, you
it?
can't
What is
listen to it.
I can say let it shot.
Let me see it, like, no. Let me hold it. What is it? 4 non-blondes. Oh.
Who's that from?
And 8K.
Uncle Richard in the day.
I want to keep some of this paper. I like that. I kept my birthday present paper. So did that man, because I got a piece. You can open yours.
No, we can't.
Hey. Curly.
Good, I can use that.
Oh, that's pretty.
I like all of that.
8K. Thank you, 8K. Uncle Richard. And Uncle Richard and Paul and Matthew. I like that.
They really fall over it.
Is that it?
Boys want you to do
Go ahead, Matt.
I almost want to.
Matthew, you open up one. You open up one.
Small dog. I got to take a picture.
Yeah. Now that's Papa.
Oh, you got another one? You got ours to open, Tom. I know.
Is that Papa's?
Yeah, that was
Oh, and you
Papa.
got some jeans.
I did it. I tried them on.
Oh.
Yesterday.
Oh.
Here. I'm waiting for the card. I know. I like those earrings.
What?
See what else they have. Give me my money.
Jill,
What?
did you get his money?
No, I didn't.
Oh,
I
you get to
found
read
it.
it.
Well,
I bought it.
bad
Ooh. That's pretty.
You just leave it here.
Ooh, Madonna. I like
Got
that.
that boy, Matt.
My color too is brown. That's what Mama said. Mama goes, do you think she likes black? I said, nah, she's more brown. I like that. Thank you.
You better let me count that, man.
You'll be holding for you, honey.
I'll hold it for you.
What's Donna? I hear Philip somewhere. What's he fussing about?
Let me know. I'll either give you a ticket, you take it back, give it to
Oh, there it is.
Okay, whatever.
We'll have to wait just a minute.
What size is it?
You want?
I like this color. And I got these jeans from Mama.
Oh, well, look at the pretty jeans.
And Daddy.
Show them why Daddy got you that.
Yeah, she's always bragging on that. All right, man.
Let me read that one. Let me read it. It says, someone has to get up pretty early in the morning to pull a birthday trick on you. I got up at 3:15 a.m. for this one.
Like you're trying to open it to you.
Love you lots, Jill and Joey.
Where did my bag go? I figured it'd be from y'all. Deal? Oh, Matt's gonna take his time now.
Come on, Matt.
Julian. Was he?
Whoa.
Yep.
Two red.
Wow.
You got fuzzy money. That counts.
Oh, Matthew. Dr. Pepper Shaker.
What? My hell.
How you know it's a snow globe?
What's the matter, baby?
I'm smart.
Well, get that boy a cake.
chilling, Joey. So give me some cake.
Mama, get you some cake. Excuse me,
So
darling.
hurry up, Matt.
Look like no snow gloves to me. Ooh!
Give me that money, Matt.
Oh, look. How did you know there were snow gloves in there?
I'm afraid I heard that walk, felt that walk.
You got all kinds of money.
Yeah, we're jumping, Matt.
You got one more friend, Matt. Paul, let's take him outside for a walk. Open that card for you. Open that orange card right there.
This?
We'll take him out for a
Oh, you done
drive.
opened that? Was mine. Yours ain't on the table? Where's mine?
Right there. Yours is right here.
Have you opened it?
Yeah.
Did you get the money out of it?
Yeah.
Okay, here's your note. Okay, here's your flower. 3 cards? No, Mama, no, your card. Oh, I want the flower right there. I want a card. It's definitely on there. It wasn't on there. Somebody give me a card. Sure that ain't yours.
Give me a ball.
Yeah, there was patient food in there, Cheryl.
Look at the name.
He hadn't got my card.
I want one.
What color was your card? Look at, you ain't sent me one?
I didn't know you knew me.
You got a big enough spoon? Got a big enough spoon?
Mackie, did you open up a card from Nanny and Papa? Where's it at?
Where's it at? What did it look like?
What did it look like?
There's only 3 of you here. This one. You okay?
That's cute.
Oh, this one's nice. Big.
Y'all look at this one.
That's pretty. That's way too big now.
Oh.
I like this one.
Oh yes, very nice fish. Here's our tree. Uh-oh, this other. Here's the tree we're gonna get.
Oh, look at this one. Come back here and look at this one right here.
Which one?
One in front of the big tree.
That one right there?
Yeah, that's right pretty too. Tell Penny it's about 60 degrees. No, don't do that close. About 60 degrees. We really don't need a sweatshirt. We're out in the middle of Morgan, Georgia. Looking at the weekend.
We can't get that one. That's got a hole in our roof.
Yeah, I got there right. See, there's Dad, and there's Paul, and there's me,
We just need to take it for a
and
while.
there's you.
Do you like it?
Hey, Mom, how about this one?
That's pretty. Well, we couldn't agree on anything in this bill, so now we're going to the next bill.
Hey, Paul, you don't want to get up under there and cut.
What?
Look,
What?
look right there.
A cactus.
That's how it's supposed to be.
Well, these are by far the prettiest trees.
Mom and Dad having a conversation about trees.
Y'all, how about this one? Well, Sam. Oh, little pirate.
Where'd she go?
I found her. Which one? Going through the forest one day, oh it's true. Golly, I tripped a lot. I wonder what that looks like.
It's half off.
Yeah. Of course, we'll need to find somewhere to put the angel. Oh, man. Hi. What's it mean by stand by in here?
Wait a minute.
Summer, what tree have you liked the best? My family deciding. Shoot! Oh. Oh, yes. Oh, sure, of course. We need to decide here. This is my tree. For lack of anybody else finding one.
There's the F-150. Step away.
Stop.
Oh, there's the F-150.
We are still trying to pick out a tree. We've been here about 40 minutes, 45 minutes. Still haven't picked one out yet. Yeah, I think this is the one we're going to get. Here's our cutter person. He will now throw himself onto the ground and start cutting.
What about the one behind you?
I don't like it.
Do you or don't you?
Like Matthew said, you may have to lay down, Paul.
Pull that out of the way. Thank you. Oh, it's down.
I don't like it.
Sorry.
I like that one. All right.
Close up on the boy there.
Congratulations, Paul. It's pretty all the way through.
Home now with the tree. And how you like to say, Paul?
Yeah.
Paul and Dad are way on up there.
Do you need an extension cord? You got it.
I think I got one. Here, I was focused.
Here's the hard job, putting the line.
Oh. There's Dad. Are we going to send this one to Aunt Penny?
Well, what are you doing?
Nothing.
When y'all get to the spring in the house, we'll have a couple breaks.
Hi. Okay, we're going to take a couple breaks, so we'll be right back. Ooh, look, it's lit up. Wait, let me get... There it goes. Hey, wait, let me get up and film it.
Hey, this falls out.
Hey, move. Hello?